And we have come to the segment on Tennessee Writes that some people think is the best. It's the lightning round, where we ask the authors a set of questions about writing and books and literature and see how many they can answer in 2 minutes. Now, if you can't think of an answer, just say pass. And the goal is to answer as many as you can in 2 minutes.
Okay.
The clock will begin after I ask my first question.
Okay.
You ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay. How many pages would the book about your life be?
500.
What animal best represents your book?
A turtle.
What is your favorite book of all time?
The Bible.
What's your least favorite book of all time?
Pass.
How often do you check your Amazon book reviews and ratings?
Not very often.
What is the name of the font used in your book?
Pass.
If you could pick a celebrity to narrate your book, who would it be?
Pass.
What's one book that you're reading right now?
Unlikely candidate.
What food item or drink most helps you write?
Coffee.
If you could have a book signing event in any city in the world, where would it be?
Paris.
What author, living or dead, would you most like to have dinner with?
Francine Rivers.
Do you prefer paper books or ebooks?
Paper.
What actor would you want to star in the movie based on your book? Where is your favorite place to read books?
Anywhere. Coffee shop.
What book is on your list to read next?
Tenacity.